Hi everyone, welcome in the class again. And today I have brought for you new phrase you to learn. And once you will learn this, you will feel motivated or you will feel, exotic again, right? So let's get started. And this phrase is for you. It's all about every now and then, all right? So whenever we are just talking about every now and then, it means we are doing something, occasionally we are doing something, sometimes we are not doing something, you can say very often we are not doing something, so often we are not doing something on a regular basis. So just what I'm saying to you, pay attention, and if you pay attention you will learn this very deeply. You will never ever forget this phrase, this exciting phrase, right? So let's get started. So I'm gonna let you know some of the examples, so just pay close attention. If you pay close attention you will learn automatically, right? So suppose or you assume that, right, you are four friends, right? You are just standing in the corner of road and like there is a shop of ice cream, right? So you suddenly or you all of a sudden makes plan that let's have ice cream, dude, right? Let's have ice cream, buddy, right? So so you just collect the money and you just you ask to each other, right, will you have ice cream though? So there is certain friend of you who says that I do not have ice cream because he's having a problem of cold problem he's having, right? So he says I will not have, you have, right? So because there can be any reasons, all right? So but he says to you that I do ice cream, I do have ice cream, every now and then, but not on daily basis. So he means that he is not having a ice cream on daily basis. He eats ice cream in a month or in a 2 months once or twice. It means वो ice cream खाता है कभी कभार महीने में, रोजाना नहीं, right? So I believe that you got my point, all right? Let me just give you, you can say, second example, right? Like you are the couple of friends, right? You just go for a morning walk or you just go for a morning jog, or you can say any jog, whatever you wish for, right? So suppose you're having a friend of you who works in the company, right? So when you are just coming, you can say, from morning jog or from morning walk, so he meets you all of a sudden in the morning, and you ask suddenly the question, hey, do you go for morning jog on daily basis? So your friend, right, just you have to assume that this is happening with you right now. You will understand this deeply, right? So you are asking to your friend, hey, do you go for morning jog or morning walk on daily basis? He says, dude, I'm working with the company right now and I just get off from my company. It's all about on Saturday or Sunday. So I go for morning jog or morning walk. It's all about on Saturday and Sunday. So he's emphasizing that he go for morning jog or morning walk, every now and then. It means he is not going for morning walk on daily basis. He goes for morning walk on Saturday and Sunday, and he is saying वह कभी कभार जाता है मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए सैटरडे ऑन संडे को, या जब भी उसको टाइम मिलता है मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए, जब भी उसकी छुट्टी होती है कंपनी की, तब वो जाता है मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए सैटरडे एंड संडे. इट मीन्स कभी कभार, नॉट ऑन डेली बेसिस, नॉट सो ऑफन और नॉट सो वेरी ऑफन, ऑलराइट? And let me just give you, you can just third example so that you can pay attention, right? If suppose like you are brother and sister, assume, right, like I believe that in every home, right, there is a brother and sister, and brother like two brothers. So assume that your brother, if someone is having sister, just assume that your sister is asking to you. If someone is having, you can say, brother, so suppose your brother is asking to, all right, hey, did you go to the party last night? So your brother is saying to you, All right, your brother is saying to you, hey, I told you, dude, that I do not go party, like on daily basis. I go for a party in which I take interest to go, and I go for a party every now and then. It means he does not go in every party, he just go in whichever he takes an interest to go, right? It means वो पार्टी को हर पार्टी में नहीं जाता, वह मतलब कभी कभार पार्टी में जाता है जिसमें उसको इंटरेस्ट लगता है, राइट? I wish that you got my point, and I believe that. So, buddy, and so my, like friends and my colleagues and my students, it's pray to all of buddy, do not prevent this video to yourself, because I'm making videos for the sake of you guys, because I'm learning as well, and I'm willing you learn as well. So I'm just trying to bring the videos on, you can say, new phrases, slangs, right, idioms, and like adjective and nouns which are new for me and which are new for you as well. So buddy, what you have to do is you have to subscribe my channel, right, and you have to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss my, you can say, new video. And until then, stay tuned with me. Bye, take care.